The battle over LK Advani's ticket, which has exposed this huge rift between the Narendra Modi and the LK Advani camps in the BJP, that's finally ended after the RSS stepped in. Take a look.
After keeping the BJP on the edge for 24 hours, LK Advani finally said yes to the Gandhinagar seat. In his statement, Advani said he was informed this morning by Rajnath Singh that the party's top brass and poll panel agreed that the choice of seat should be left to him. Advani had skipped the meet and refused to consider any seat but Bhopal, forcing the RSS to intervene and the BJP top brass to reconsider its decision. Before Advani raised the white flag, the first sign of a truce came from the party president.
I have left this option to Advani ji to choose the seat from where he would like to contest, from Gandhinagar or Bhopal.
Eventually, the RSS had to step in as the crisis was escalating. BJP's parliamentary board and poll panel had nominated him from Gandhinagar. Advani had told the BJP Bhopal was his first choice. The RSS chief and his deputy met Modi late last night and expressed displeasure over hastily nominating Advani from Gandhinagar. The RSS duo spent time on phone with Advani and Rajnath, pushing them to end the infighting. The BJP publicly evoked Advani's seniority.
Let me remind you here that there are no differences. The matter regarding Advani ji, the party looks up to him as a very respected senior leader.
Earlier this morning, Narendra Modi, Sushma Swaraj, Arun Jaitley and Venkaiah Naidu met LK Advani. His refusal to relent was a sign of how deep the Modi-Advani divide in the BJP is. Advani was wary BJP cadres in Gujarat may not work for his win. Modi's worry was Advani's candidature from Bhopal will mean even Advani is uncomfortable in Gujarat. Third time in 10 months, LK Advani stood against Narendra Modi. BJP insiders say that the divide over LK Advani's seat is just a symptom. The divide is not just between Narendra Modi and LK Advani or for a few more seats in the Lok Sabha elections, but the battle is between two camps in the BJP, one which stands to benefit if LK Advani gets the numbers and turns Prime Minister, and the other, the one which will benefit if Narendra Modi falls short of the right numbers. In Delhi, Rahul Srivastava for NDTV.